There you go, folks. There's a shot of the water. Shoot, beautiful day today. It is windy, but it's a beautiful day. Other than that, there you go, folks. There's some water out there. Got some folks on, I don't know, I guess little kayak things out there enjoying the water. But as you can tell, it's a pretty day out here on the lake. Anyway, I just figured I'd get that in there. Well, let me get back on the road. Starting to get pretty warm out here. I had to take my jacket off, shoot. This upcoming route lead me out of this place. It's pretty windy and twisty. Have to see how it goes. There's a lot of people been on it on this road. But you really can't go real fast on it. This goes down to a harbor and a boat dock where everybody docks your boats in. So I mean, you'll have a lot of vehicles pulling boats and coming in and out. But anyway, it's real pretty through here. It's kind of cool right here in the shade. It feels good. I don't know if you can see off down there, but it's a pretty steep embankment. Sure don't want to fall off down there. Man, we got a pickup truck in front of us, so we'll have to follow him. But that's okay. There's a couple of places down here where the water is running across the road because we had so much rain a few days back that all the creeks and, you know, any rivers and creeks and stuff, they filled up, so they're still pretty full. And a couple areas here on this road to get back out of here, where the creek's gonna be running across the road. So, but the old Vstrom didn't have no problem getting in here. I ain't gonna have no problem getting out. Just pretty good ways back up in here. You can see out that way. It's, you know, really pretty. You know, it's basically a wooded area, and oh, there's a few houses here and there, but well, most of it's wooded. go. We got one of these creeks. It's kind of overflowing and going across the road, so here we go. We're gonna go across it. And no big deal, but I mean, creek over there, that was not high enough to go across the road there. There's a creek on the left hand side that kind of runs with the road for a little ways. It doesn't tuck back in the woods now. There it is. I don't even know what time I took off this morning. I think it was 9:30, 10 o'clock, something like that. And, let's see. I'm sure at about 3:40 in the afternoon, so I've been riding quite a bit. Been a good day. Real windy, but a lot of the roads that I traveled kind of kept you out of the wind. On my way back, I'll end up having to, you know, get on some. Got another one of these creeks here. It ain't that bad. But anyway, yeah, there'll be some open areas that I do have to get back on, get myself back where I need to be, and I ain't looking forward to being out there getting beat up by the wind. But most of the day I've been on roads kind of like this, and here we go, got another one. This ain't no big deal either, but just shows how much rain we have. Normally they got gutters that run under that road, you know, and most of the time, you know, that water will run underneath the road. But we had so much rain when I was talking about that, when I did that change in tire video, talking about, you know, we had 2 days of rain, and some places, most places in this area got 4 to 5 inches of rain, you know, and you get all that at once, it backs all the, you know, creeks and stuff up. So. Well, I tell you what, I think it's the best parts of that little route there. I'll probably go ahead and shut this off for now. I appreciate y'all for watching. If we would, let's say a blessing for all our military folks all over the world. A lot of things going on, and they need our blessings. And also all those good first responders, the ones out there doing it for the right reasons. If we would, let's say a blessing for them. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.